Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, check this out. A tiny all-in-one FPV system on board. Goggles are ready. Let's enjoy some FPV. First I'll fly line of sight, record a DVR to get a feel of it, and then try to fly FPV. Here we go. Alright. I am losing power. I think I'm losing power. I've been flying it around, so battery is probably dying, but it's worth to see how FPV feels like. Line of sight, and that how much control I have. Man, you got to give it to it. This is one amazing flyer for a 2-channel. Question is how you land it. Let's not give it too much throttle, and let's hope it will land now. See, after you put some load on it, the FPV load, it's flying even smoother. That was awesome, man. That was really awesome. Alright, so I hope I can enjoy some FPV on it now. I hope I have enough battery so I can enjoy some FPV flight. Alright, here we go. Record, please. Recording. Take off. Barely hit, almost hit the fence. Oh man, this thing flies smoother than my expensive FPV aircrafts. Honestly, much more smoother than my expensive FPV aircraft. Let's not go too far. Let's not go to the road. It's above my head. I got the video feed. Well, I never lost the video feed. It was just slightly glitchy. Man, what a superb FPV platform it is. I am kind of having fun with this flying FPV. Absolutely fun. Oh, there's a pole, light pole. Pick up some speed and altitude. Oh, it went this side, I think. Uh-oh, too close to the ground, people. Let's cut down the throttle and land. Oh yes! I landed, man. I landed. Let's come back. Taxi back. Taxi. Where am I? I'm losing my right thrust to turn right. And I'm back. That was amazing experience to fly FPV on this little bird. Amazing. So there you go. A cheap 2-channel RC Predator, such a small lightweight Predator. It's capable of taking an FPV system, this lightweight FPV system on board. Not only beginner friendly, even kids can fly and enjoy flying it, but also adults like us or even kids can start experiencing FPV on board this RC aircraft. I believe I will keep this FPV system on board and let Arish fly this plane and let him get him started with FPV early. Get him to taste flying FPV with this aircraft, because this is absolutely fantastic and absolutely stable RC plane. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?